I wanna show you how to add isolate color effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go! Here I have already prepared my video clip and I wanna isolate the yellow color. First of all, go to Effects and write Leave Color. Drag your Leave Color effect on the video clip and then move to the FX control. First of all, by Leave Color effect, go to Match Color and instead of using RGB, just choose using Hue. Following, select the dropper and go to your preview screen. Click on the part of the color that you wanna isolate. Come back to your FX control and by the amount to the color, just increase the value to 100. Of course, depending on your project, sometimes you need to play with the colors. In this case, it is useful to play with the tolerance. Let's see the result. Help to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.